Hello, hello. This is Sridhar. In last class, we discussed about the general properties of acids and bases, but some of the scientists were explained the properties of acids and bases in the forms of theory. Okay, in this topic, I am going to explain about the Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. In last class, we discussed about the properties of the acids and bases. Okay, some kind of in that case, so many of the substances are not given the right property with the solutions. Okay, in that case, Arrhenius, Bronsted-Lowry, Lewis, and some other scientists were proposed a different theory to explain the nature of the substance, if it is acid or base or salt, whatever it is. First of all, in this concept, in this period, I am going to discuss about the Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. Okay, on the completion of this period, we will be able to know the understand Arrhenius concept of acid, bases, and salts. According to Arrhenius, in examination point of view, they may ask as a short question or essay questions. According to Arrhenius concept, an acid definition is a substance which gives H plus ions in when dissolved in water is called as an acid, or simply we can say it as a substance which can give H plus ions in aqueous solution, means water substance, water solvents, is called as acid. According to Arrhenius, the base definition is a substance which gives OH minus ions or hydroxyl ions when dissolved into the water is called as base. Okay, simply we can say it as a substance which can produce hydroxyl ion in aqueous solution is called as base. Okay, here the general acid HA, when it is dissolved in water, it produces H plus and A minus ion. Then one general base is I am taking BOH, when it is dissolved into the in water, it produces B plus and OH minus ion. Here it produces OH minus ion, here it produces H plus ions. According to Arrhenius, which produces H plus ion in aqueous solution is an acid, which produces OH minus ion is a base. Example, HCl on in aqueous solution, it produces H plus and Cl minus ion. Then HCl is an acid. Example number 2, H2SO4 also dissolved in water. It produces 2H plus ions plus SO4 minus 2 ions. According to Arrhenius, which produces H plus ions are the acids. Then H2SO4 and HCl both were acids. And next one is base. When NaOH dissolve in water, it produces Na plus OH minus ion. Then ammonium hydroxide, when it is dissolved in water, it produces ammonium plus OH minus ion. In both the cases, it produces OH minus ions. Then these are the bases. Okay, next one is according to Arrhenius, A definition of salt is a substance which can neither give H plus nor OH minus ions in aqueous solutions are called as salts. Examples for this is KCl, potassium chloride, sodium chloride. Okay, when these are dissolved in water, which cannot produce any H plus or OH minus ions. So, according to Arrhenius, these were salts. According to Arrhenius, next concept is neutralization. An acid, according to Arrhenius, an acid is reacts with the equal amount of base to form the salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. Example, when HCl is reacts with the equal amount of NaOH, it produces salt and undissociated water. Then it is the neutralization reaction. It is one example. NaOH plus HCl equilibrium NaCl plus H2O. It is a neutralization reaction. Actually, free H plus ions do not exist in water. If any kind of acid is dissolved in water, that H plus ions, the produced H plus ions are not existing free in nature. Again, it will be combined with the water molecule and it forms the hydronium ions. That is H plus H2O gives rise to equilibrium H3O plus hydronium ion. The ionization of acid in aqueous solution should be expressed as HCl. When HCl is dissolved in water, first of all, this HCl produce H plus and Cl minus ion. That H plus is combined with the water molecule and it forms the H3O plus ion, and then it gives the Cl minus ions. Okay, next, in this topic we discussed the what is an acid, what is the base, what is a salt, and what is the formation of hydronium ion. And next one is strength of the acids and bases. Okay, the strength of the acids and bases is depends on the producing H plus ions and OH minus ions in aqueous solution. From that, the strong acid definition is an acid which produce more number of H plus ions in aqueous solution is called as strong acid. HCl, H2SO4. Base, weak acid. An acid which produce less number of H plus ions in aqueous solution is called as weak acid, and its example is acetic acid. Okay, strong base definition is a base which produces more number of OH minus ions in aqueous solution is called as strong base, which produces less number of OH minus ions in aqueous solution is called as weak base. Okay, example for that is strong base is NaOH, or weak base is ammonium hydroxide. Okay, limitations or defects of the Arrhenius concept. Okay, this theory is applicable only for aqueous solutions, means which can dissolve in water. Okay, those can be explained which is acid or not as a salt. Okay, this concept could not explain the properties of all acids and bases. Okay, that is, it is fails to explain the acidic nature of the aprotic compounds such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, phosphorus pentoxide. Okay, these are Aprotic compounds means which do not containing the hydrogen atom in their chemical formula. So, okay, according to Arrhenius, these were not acids. Okay, this is the one of the drawback. And next one is this theory fails to explain the basic nature of ammonia sodium carbonate. Similarly, according to Arrhenius, the base defined as which containing OH minus ions and it produced the OH minus ion in aqueous solution, then these were the bases. But according to him, ammonia and sodium carbonates were not bases. Okay, this theory fails to explain the acidic nature of the certain salts such as aluminum trichloride. Okay, this is also one of the drawback. And next one is, okay, in this topic we have to learn about the acidic acid solution gives the H plus ions in aqueous solution, base gives the OH minus ions in aqueous solution. This then acid and bases combine to form the salt. Okay, now we have to discuss about the some quiz topics, quiz questions. Which is the Arrhenius acid? Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, HCl. Okay, in these four options, right answer is D because of HCl is the right answer. It is on according to Arrhenius, it produces H plus ions in aqueous solution. The next question is which is the Arrhenius base from the following? Ammonia, calcium oxide, sodium hydroxide, HCl. In this, right answer is sodium hydroxide because of it contains sodium hydroxide OH minus ions in their chemical formula. On ionization, it produces OH minus ions. And next question is Arrhenius fails to explain the acidic nature of carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Okay, generally, frequently asked question in this topic is state and explain the Arrhenius theory of acids and bases briefly. And next question is explain the neutralization. And sometimes they may ask as question write the strength of the acids and bases with the suitable examples. Thank you.